What is digital marketing? Let's delve into the components of digital marketing in more detail. Search engine optimization, SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing individual web pages to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. This includes optimizing content, HTML code, and meta tags. Off-page SEO focuses on activities outside the website, like backlink building and social media marketing, to improve its trustworthiness and authority. Technical SEO involves optimizing the technical aspects of a website, such as site speed, mobile friendliness, and site structure, to improve its visibility and user experience. Search engine marketing, SEM. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertisers bid on keywords, and they pay a small fee every time their ad is clicked. Google AdWords is a popular PPC platform. Display advertising. These are visual ads displayed on websites and apps. They can be images, videos, or interactive media. Remarketing targets users who have previously visited your website with specific ads, keeping your brand in mind. Social media marketing, SMM. Organic social media involves creating and sharing content on social media profiles. Engagement with the audience is key, and platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn are commonly used. Paid social media advertising involves creating targeted ads on social media platforms to reach specific demographics. Advertisers can define their audience based on various factors, such as age, location, interests, and behaviors. Content marketing. Blogging. Creating and publishing relevant articles on your website's blog to provide value and information to your audience. Video marketing. Creating and sharing videos on platforms like YouTube. Videos can include product demonstrations, tutorials, testimonials, and more. Infographics. Visual representations of data or information, often used to explain complex concepts in a simple and engaging way. Podcasts. Audio content that can be streamed or downloaded, allowing businesses to reach audiences on the go. Email marketing. Newsletters. Regularly sending updates, news, or promotions to a group of subscribers who have opted to receive emails from your business. Drip campaigns. Sending a series of pre-written, automated messages to leads or customers over time. These messages are often tailored based on the recipient's actions or lack of actions. Transactional emails. Automatic emails sent in response to specific user actions, such as confirming a purchase or resetting a password. Affiliate marketing. Businesses partner with affiliates who promote their products or services. Affiliates earn a commission for every sale, click, or lead generated through their referral efforts. Mobile marketing. Mobile-friendly websites. Ensuring that websites are optimized for mobile devices, providing a seamless user experience. Mobile apps. Creating and promoting mobile applications to engage users directly on their smartphones or tablets. SMS marketing. Sending targeted promotional messages via text messages to potential customers. Analytics and data analysis. Web analytics. Using tools like Google Analytics to track website traffic, user behavior, and other key metrics. Social media analytics. Analyzing engagement, reach, and audience demographics on social media platforms. Email analytics. Monitoring open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics to assess the effectiveness of email campaigns. A successful digital marketing strategy often combines several of these components to create a comprehensive and cohesive approach to reaching and engaging target audiences online. Businesses use data and analytics to measure the success of their campaigns, allowing them to adjust strategies for better results over time.